I got this sponge, and I got another one before, but somewhere. But anyway, I just got extra one because like, for example, if there's water, like you don't have much towel and stuff, it's kind of nice this one because you can put a lot of water in it, and clean up easy to hold. So, or you can yeah, it's kind of nice, in case if there's a leakage and stuff, or some water spill for the kids, or whatever. You can car wash or whatever, or car, or you can put like perfume in it or whatever. You know, you can put, you can use many stuff of this, so you can cut it too if you want. This one is in the cellophane yet. Just leave it that way. See you later.